Vendetta. I'm better than the relevant medicine your 13-year-old son is peddling. I'm severing every head that isn't heaven sent. You can say I'm Nephilim, one of the four horsemen on a collision course to destroy the evil men that descended from the Dark One. I spark one, so I don't lose myself and end up in Arkham with the rest of the lunatics. I ain't proving shit. These words are my product, so I gotta keep moving it. The fiends of my music be loving it, but that's irrelevant. Like a donkey dick in an elephant. Ill as shit. American surrogates. We're just robots trapped in the system we call America. More like an experiment. You want the truth? The truth is what they concealing in the blood of our patriots. From an infant they breed hatred and discrimination. So I've dedicated my life to revealing it. Because we are the youth of the nation. We are running out of patience. Fuck Obama, he's an abomination to this great nation, but he fits right in with the faceless politics of heritage. War upon our soil, I'm declaring it. Even though we should be sharing bliss, I'm sharing a kiss with death. Marilyn Monroe, on you go, alone on this broken road of shattered dreams and false realities, tendencies of ghetto mentalities. Guess it's time to strap the black suit on and grab the belt equipped with my utilities to put a stop to this, the same way Hobson is. You gotta rock to this in your moccasins or house slips. Vendetta Nation. Holla back.